Hi, my name is Matt Snell. I'm with Valens Semiconductor, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026. We're showing here in this demo optimized USB 3 extension. So Valens Semiconductor delivered to the market several years ago a USB 3.2, 5 gigabit per second extension technology that extends USB 3 up to 100 meters. What we've now showing here in this new proof of concept is a lower power version that can be more cost effective and low power for integrating into cables and dongle setups for connecting USB 3 cameras in a conference room. In this demo, we have two Panicast 20 Jabra cameras, one connected via standard USB 3 cable over on the right side, and then on the left side, we have our new VS6310 USB 3 extender product integrated right into the cable itself, or we could be integrating it into a dongle type form factor so that you can then use the dongles, connect those right into the USB camera, and then just use standard category cable wiring. This way you're able to connect a lot more cameras in the conference room, standard USB 3 cameras in a conference room, to add to your standard video bar if you needed to have 2 or 3 or 4 cameras. And the low power nature of the new 6310 enables that to be in such a small form factor. As you can see on the screen, we have a bandwidth measurement tool running, so you see one directly connected and one connected via the 6310. They're both the same quality, the same bandwidth. There's no degradation in at all. So this enables you to overcome the distance limitations of standard USB 3 cables and still deliver full USB 3 capabilities over a much longer distance. To learn more about this new proof of concept, please go to Valens at www.valens.com. Thank you.